About your first day in school, what did you do in the morning to prepare? You ate breakfast. What is it, Austin? Where? Where's your paper?
First day, guys. First day school of Austin. Ihahatid namin sa school niya. So Austin was so excited today. Also parents are excited. Yan, happy si Austin. First day, complete bag. Mayroon siyang bag, may material kansa sa school.
Yan ang school boy. Austin boy. Okay na, Daddy.
Yeah, sige pa.
Oh. Ano pang sasabihin mo?
Ang problema, rainy day ngayon, no? Masama yung panahon. Medyo may kalayuan pa konti yung school ni Austin. Anyway, we have to try it. Kailangan na pag-aralin ng mga anak. So, sacrifice lang. Maaga kami nagising ngayon. Maaga kami nag-breakfast. As you can see on my live show. So, update na naman ko kayo pag mga idol. Pag ano yung sitwasyon ni Austin doon sa school. See you guys.
See you na, Austin.
Rough road kasi, rough road na. Dito yung sa amin ay rough road yung daanan namin. Kaya maalog, kaya magalaw yung camera o madulas pa.
See you
guys. Paalam ka na, Austin. So we are now in the school of our. You see Austin how excited
Look at that.
he is. Hello, Austin.
Hello.
Okay, let's go inside na. Let's go inside your school. Okay. Nahulog na. Happy siya.